Welcome CNG 132 online. Got a few emails last night about how to access the Krebs. That's the essay submittal. I had that in the wrong spot. How to access the Krebs content. If you don't see the, let's see, in the news up at the top. So to do that, that would be that one. Oh, I switched them around. Okay. So clicking on that one should take you to the articles, and then should open up the many articles that Krebs has on security. The other way that I also, this can be done, is simply by clicking, if you click the assignment, it opens up MindTap again. This time it goes to start the submission for this, but if you close this window and then go to Part 1, Security and Threats, in the news, stay current, and then Krebs on security, different way to get to it. Once again, these first 2 weeks are you getting used to MindTap and how it's laid out. If you do the assignments early, make sure you do mess around with MindTap a little bit more. The more familiar you are with the platform, the better off you'll be during the semester. Also remember that the full book is always the best way to look for additional items. Clicking that blue button and then chapters. Any chapter you click on will always get you to the 8-4E section or 8-5E section, whatever it is. It's the E section that's only located through the full book clicking. With that, have a good weekend. I will check in on Sunday.